It's February 29th, 1988. And if you were born in a leap year, then you were lucky enough to experience the release of the Tamiya Sonic Fighter. Ho, ho, ho. Let's see what she can do. Here, never mind the car slipping over. Look at that. Good day, elevator. Oh my gosh, it's dead icy. Doesn't look it, does it? Oh my god, I'm going. Let's get down low, let's see what we can get. See what footage we can get. So we've got a bone stock Sonic Fighter here, based on the Striker chassis, but came with the oil-filled shocks and the Striker on the friction shock, so it's kind of like the upgrade. Not that that's going to help me on the ice, is it? No. Look at it slide about. Oh, I'm going to be over in a minute as well. Oh my gosh. Good skate on here. Put a camber on the front wheels. It's a fixed camber front. Look at that. Look at the way it sits. I've got a bit of toe out going on. See what we can do on the ice. This is first run. Oh no, I think we're out of battery already. So it's an old NIM. It's so slippy. Oh dear me. I'll have to change the battery. Let's get some speed. Coming in hot. So icy. I can't even get going. Come on. Cold one today. Not feel my driving fingers at all. Whoa. It's a bit of ice, what's this? Oh, hello. It is. Oh my gosh! Sliding about. It's not cool, isn't it? Just breaking through that is. Ah, she's a funny little thing.